So let's first talk about your companies and how you're using blockchain and how does it benefit your business. Let's start with Nirali.
Sure. So our mission at Qenta really is to add utility to assets, with this convergence of the physical world to the digital world. 16 trillion USD by 2030 is the market size of the predicted market size of this global movement from the physical world to digital assets, because digitalization unlocks liquidity, reduces friction in transactions. And so we're really tapping into that shift towards a token-based economy. So our flagship product is a gold token, Gcoin, which is a digital title to physical gold that sits in a vault. And we offer this as a retail product to consumers who want to tap into the gold market, at a fraction of the cost, or not, having to worry about storage costs and so forth. We also offer it to businesses as a value transfer mechanism or a payment settlement tool. So, for example, we're working with clients in the media and entertainment sector, and these companies work with content creators who, they're in the gig economy, they're globally spread out, they're remote, and so, typically these companies are faced with relatively low value, high volume global payments. And so this can be really sticky, right? Because of high transaction costs, high lead times for transactions, FX fluctuations. And so with this token-based value transfer mechanism with Gcoin and digital wallets, we're able to help our clients operate more efficiently, right? They can manage FX better, they can pay out their workers almost instantaneously, and they can do it at a lower cost. And then the third aspect of our business is a supply chain traceability solution, blockchain-based traceability solution. Mm-hmm. So from the very offset, we were very conscientious of the integrity of the gold that feeds our Gcoin program. Gold is a termed a conflict mineral. It can lead to financing conflict in producing countries. It can be used for money laundering. Can result in unsafe mining practices, child labor, forced labor, and so forth, right? So we wanted to make sure that the integrity of the gold was there. So we developed this supply chain solution to tag and track gold from mine to refinery to vault and so forth. And over the years, we've seen the demand for this supply chain tech, coming from miners and refiners themselves, as they sort of, and jewelers and investment banks, right? Because they're looking to fulfill this sort of growing demand for gold with provenance and supply chain transparency. And then, that's sort of translated into other commodities like cobalt, lithium, coffee, even carbon credits, as companies try to prove their responsible sourcing practices, comply with reams of legislation, and even create these sort of premium products from a product differentiation perspective.
Mm-hmm. And these are use cases that are very useful and common that we see nowadays.